Welcome back, listeners. We are learning about search engine and search engine result page. So, what is a search engine? A search engine consists of two main things: a database of information and algorithm that compute with result to return and rank for a given query. So, in case of a web search engine like a Google, the database consists of a trillions of web pages, and the algorithm looks at hundreds of factors to deliver the most relevant result. So, hope you know about search engines. So, there are n number of things related with search engines. So, how search engine works? So, here is a small depiction which is again published by Google. So, there are different factors in it. I'm not explaining it right here, but we will explain all the factors which are affecting the search in the 8th module. So, who is making search? It is a fictional story actually, and Google is calling that search agents as the robots or crawlers or spiders. So, this spiders is going through different files. It's a fictional spider, okay, different files, and they will track the the right file for the user, and it will show it to the user in the first 1 to 5 result, and the other result are again maybe it may be useful for the user. The most right and apt result is the first 5. So that is the duty of the spider or the crawler, or what we call as a robot. So this is how Google search engine works. Search engine work by taking a list of non URL, which then go to the scheduler. So you can see the scheduler here. You can see the URLs. So then the scheduler decide when to crawl each URL. Crawling means to search into. Okay. So the crawl page then go to the parser. So this parser where vital information is extracted and indexed. Indexing is none other than arranging the right files. Which one the Google has to give priority, that files will come first. That is again search ranking. It will come in the first search ranking. That is called indexing, arranging things as per the ranking. So past links go to the scheduler then, which prioritize their crawling and recrawling. So when you search something in search engine, so maybe return matching pages, and algorithm rank them by relevance. It will give a ranking. So here you can see the diagram. Internet URLs are there. So this crawler will get into the URL, and it will index the page and give the search result. So let's study one by one what exactly scheduling. So scheduling is none other than accessing the relative importance of a new and non URL. It then decides when to crawl new URLs and how often to recrawl non URLs. Scheduling is again none other than accessing the relative importance of a non URL, or researching. It is called as recrawling. Searching is crawling, okay, as per Google terminology. So scheduler will decide which one or which file the crawler has to access. Same as the term says, scheduler. It will decide. It will give direction to the crawlers. So on the other hand, what exactly Crawling. So, crawling is a computer program that downloads web pages. So, search engine discover new content by regularly recrawling non pages where new links often get added over time. So, for example, every time we publish a new blog post, it get published or it get pushed to the top of a blog homepage where there is a link. So that's why every day you have to update your website. You have to update your website with the content. So that's why content is the king, because if you have content, definitely, I mean, like a content in the sense, content related with your business, with connected with your segment, definitely people will search and people will find out your page. And your page, if the page increases traffic, definitely page will come organically at the top of the search result. Let us discuss on pricing. What exactly pricing is? So pricing is none other than uh, the extract link from the page, so along with the other key information. It then send extracted URL to the scheduler and extracted data for indexing. The Razor extract link from the page means if I type I mean, like where do I get good pani puri? So if I'm living in Cochin right now, so I'm typing where do I get a pani puri. So anyone who has featured their website with I mean, like a different links related with a pani puri or a best North Indian snacks, something like that, the Praiser extract that link from the page and give that information to the indexing. So next, the last one is indexing. Indexing is where praised information from crawled pages gets added to a database called a search indexing. So think of this as a digital library. The best result or best books been taken from a you can see this from a lot of searches or a lot of website, from a bundle of website in a web internet world wide web, identifying it, taking the best result and recrawling, and Fraser will extract the link, matching the link and give it to the index, and index will give the ranking as per the search result. I mean, like as per the I mean, like the search content or what exactly the search the person or the user has did. So as per the gravity of the search, the indexing or the process of indexing will decide which website should come first or which website should give the most first, I mean, like the first ranking or second ranking, third ranking or 50th ranking. So indexing is the way of allocating different website as per the user's search. Thank you.